Welcome. In this video, I will shortly tell you about the features of your Samsung The Frames remote control that you could have missed. So let's start with something simple as power button. Your power button isn't only meant to turn your TV on or off. Basically, if you short press it, it will switch your TV mode to the art mode, and then if you short press it once again, you will return to the home screen of your device. Next goes the settings button, which not only lets you enter the settings, but will also let you access some quick settings right here, like quick suggestions that the AI considers the most relevant for you. But you can also have access to the additional buttons that are absent on your remote, like digits, like these colorful circles, and in this case you can use your side buttons as their circles, and also the SmartThings. And besides, you can hold this button down for a while to access the shortcuts. And this way, for example, you can quickly switch to your HDMI port. Now, the next thing is the home button. Well, of course, the home button will open the home screen for you, but also this button is used for if you want to let some Samsung support center workers to remotely access your TV. All you have to do is hold your home button down for around 10 to 15 seconds, and then you'll get a notification that you can let this Samsung customer support worker to connect to your TV. And now I also want to quickly mention these buttons. So these are very peculiar because not only can you change the volume by pushing this left button up and down, but you can also mute your volume by pressing this button, and this way you can also switch channels or to the next one or to the previous one using this right button, and you can press it to open the channels list. Besides, it's pretty obvious that you can quickly access your Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video with these three buttons, and you can also access your web browser by pressing 3W button. Well, I know this video is pretty short, but you can see how many buttons there are on this remote control. So there is generally not much more that I can tell you about. Besides one thing, you can access the hospitality menu using your remote's buttons. To do so, you have to press the mute button, then up and down and central button on your remote control. So mute, up, down, remote, up, down, okay, and then it will open the hospitality mode menu on your device. And if you enable hospitality mode, which you can do by pressing OK and then right button, and then you can press the return button, and you will have access to all of these settings, like power on settings, menu on screen, display settings, music mode, external source, echo solution, and device cloning. Yeah, there is a bunch of what you can change here. And to apply settings, you have to power off your your TV, I'm sorry, and then power it on again, after a short moment, because your TV for some reason won't power on instantly after powering off. And so that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.